Sup guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel Airdrop. So in this video I am going to show you how you can mine 3 Bitcoin every second using this 3 Bitcoin mining website. Okay, you will get the link to this 3 Bitcoin mining website in this video's description box. Okay, so click the link to start mining with the free 200 GHS that will be given to you if you sign up right now. Alright, so now I have been able to accumulate about $14.68 worth of BTC, and now let's go withdraw. So let's click on this button here now with the name withdraw. Alright, so over here now I am going to be withdrawing Bitcoin. You can see here that I have Bitcoins about $14.68. Okay, so I am going to be withdrawing about $14.68 worth of BTC. Then I click withdraw. This is my Bitcoin address from Trust Wallet. Let me show you guys my account on Trust Wallet. You see here that I have about 0.09206408 BTC here. Okay, now let's go back to the site. And by the way, this is my Bitcoin address that ends with SJ. All right, let's head on back to the site right now, and I'm just going to click on withdraw. And here comes the withdraw confirmation page. I'll just have to click confirm. And over here guys, this is the payment and it is currently pending. Alright, so I am just going to wait for them to process the payment, and I'll get back to you guys once the payment has been processed and sent to my Bitcoin wallet. You will see here that the payment is currently pending. Okay, so now let's wait for them to process the payment, and I'll surely get back to you guys anytime once I receive this my $14.68 worth of Bitcoin in my Trust wallet. Okay, so stay tuned. Welcome back. So guys, my payment has been processed. You can see here that I no longer have any pending withdrawal right here right now. Okay, but this happens to be my last withdrawal, which is about $14.68 in BTC. Okay, so now let's head on to my Trust Wallet account, and over there now I am going to show you my new account balance on Trust Wallet. Okay, so this is my Trust Wallet account, and this is the BTC that I received 21 minutes ago. So the $14.68, when converted to BTC, that would be equivalent to 0.0004891 BTC. Now let's open my BTC portfolio on Trust Wallet. Alright, and this is the BTC that I received. This is it over here now. Okay, this is a payment of 0.0004891 BTC. Okay, so you have confirmed here now guys that this website is 100% legit and it is active and paying currently. Alright, so if you are to join the website guys, that should be done right now. I mean right now. Okay, so now that you have confirmed how legit and trusted this platform is, let me head on back to the site. Alright, and over there now I am going to show you now how you can start mining free BTC using this site, especially if you are a newbie to this site. Okay, so you get the link to sign up now in this video's description box, and of course to sign up you have to click the link in this video's description box. Okay, here now you get over 100 GHS for sign up as a bonus. Okay, so now just click on sign up button right here now, and now to sign up you enter your username, your full name, your email address, your password, retype your password, create a secret question and also a secret answer. After that you can leave this one and fill them whenever you want to withdraw. Okay, so after that you verify this captcha right here now, agree to their terms and conditions, and you click on create your account. After that you can now log into your account with your email address or username and password. Okay, that's all. So here we go now to my own account. Okay, and I'm going to show you how the rest works. Okay, so once you have signed up, it would start mining free BTC for you down here in US dollars. Okay, so the system calculates everything in USD but pays you in BTC. Okay, so any amount of Bitcoin you have mined here now will be transferred to your main account balance every 24 hours. Okay, so that's just how the system works, and you get the link to sign up now in this video's description box. Okay, anyway, okay, so give this my video a thumbs up if you want me to make more videos on how you can make money online mining free Bitcoin using free Bitcoin mining sites without investment. Okay guys, so that will be all for this free Bitcoin mining site video. Okay, so please give this my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want me to make more videos on how you can earn free cryptocurrency online. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. Stay safe and God bless, and peace out.